Now I want to talk about commenting, or how we can document what is going on with our programming. As we keep adding to the program, it becomes more complicated to remember the function of these instructions and these networks. Adding comments is a good way to keep organized by documenting how the logic works. To make use of comments, we have to enable the comment options. So let me show you this. From the Tools menu, select Options. Then select FBD, LD, and IL Editor to adjust the editor options. Check the box for Show Network Comment, and then check the box for Show Operand Comment. Then click OK. Now that commenting is enabled, we can add comments to our programming. And this is how we do that. To add a comment for the entire network, in the workspace, move the mouse pointer to the top of the network area. A gray box will appear. Click on it, the box becomes white, and you can type in a network comment. So put some words here to describe the network. To add comments to the instructions, move the mouse pointer above the instruction area. A gray box will appear. Click on that and the box becomes white. Then you can type to add a comment here. So now I invite you to go ahead and add comments to your programming. You can identify the function of each network, and you can label each instruction to identify the components. And make sure you save your work.